I'm Chirfo Saha today. I will be telling you the importance of this room, we inherit from my ancestors. This is a place they use to treat and solve all kind of sickness and spiritual problems to people who are in need. In today's world, there are a lot of scams where people say what they can't do, but I Chirfo Saha. One is here to solve all your spiritual problems. Come to me and your life will never be the same. People always want to see your properties before they believe, but there are lies. And some show off. I don't want to show you what I have, but you will see for yourself. I treat people with sickness and also help people in all kind of spiritual problems, but I do not do money double. But if you want to be rich or want money to solve your loan problem, court case, traveling issues, I can help you with the support of the gods. I can also help you to become a millionaire or billionaire. If you want to be a successful person in this world with my gods, it do not kill or take human blood as sacrifice. I Saha can help even if you are in the USA. Come to my temple and your life will never be the same. It's always important to take note. Whenever you want to work with someone in terms of spirituality, some people will always ask you to send them money before they can work for you. It's not important. You can come to me for your sickness or spiritual problem to be solved if you want to. I'm sitting here in my own house, and inside here is the temple, where I do my treatment and spiritual works for people. I don't say what I can nor do, because my God has given me the power for everything that I can do, but I cannot kill a person even if you give me money to kill someone. I can't do. I said earlier that if you want to be a millionaire or billionaire, is that I has a gods of money and protection. They're two different of people that are in need of this someone who work but does not get money, and someone who profession do not make a way for him, or it happen a lot that some spiritual men will prove you by showing what he has to able to take your money and work, but at the end of the day, it's gonna be carry and sorrows. I'm no going to showcase my properties for you. It's only what the my God say on your head about. Their help is what I can tell. It's your trust and faith can lead you to the true Chirfo. Saha, it's obvious that you can use your face to identify truth and lies. Unless you meet me in person, I don't go to people home for work. Unless you request, or it's important to do it at the premises of your home. I live in Tolan Chirfo, Gili, a village in the northern. Ghana, if you want to talk to me, you can call me on my number on the screen on voice. Or WhatsApp video call. I don't understand English, and if you are calling from the US or any part of the world, I have someone that can speak English for me. Yes, that there are people using my videos to scam people. If don't be a victim by letting someone to scam you with my pictures or videos. Always call me on video call. I'm using only one phone number. I work with power of the gods. I'm going on to list some of the sickness I treat, but can't mention all. Sometimes people come to seek for help for their family in abroad. Some do come to me seeking for help to support their relative in abroad who is lacking citizenship in abroad. I have something I can sow for someone in abroad to get citizenship. When I'm done spiritual sacrifice, it has a period of time I will give you, and when the time comes, you will be citizen. We also have seek people in life. Whatever sickness you have, come to me and I will find solution to your life, but except TTHE1 that God has made to take away a person's life. My brother and sister, don't be afraid to contact me on my number. I believe in the power of my gods and the temple that I worship. I do treat all kind of sickness except the one that is meant to take a soul or life away. So I do treat a lot of sickness. It's commonly now that stroke affect a lot of people in society. I do have a powerful treatment to that sickness, madness, and high fever, I can treat any of this. So, if you are facing any of this in your life, come to me and I will help you. I don't charge for what I treat. You will have to pay appreciation to my gods by providing what they feed on. I don't do health care treatments. This is a local knowledge that I had from my grandfather. I'm a chief who rule in a community in Tamale, Ghana. I can work for you wherever you are. You can contact on my number on your screen. Whatever challenges mankind are facing in life has a solution. The choice is you to decide for yourself what to do. I do not have or do fake work here. Come to me, Chirfo, Saha, and your sickness or problems will be solved forever. Take my number and call me anytime you want. Sometimes I do people complaining that it's bad to join lodge or secret society. No, it's not true. When you join my lodge members group, I will have to take you through 3 days spiritual journey. But you don't be part of the process. I will let you find a new calabash, hide it in a safe place in your home. After 3 days, I will let you look into the calabash. You will find water in it. When you see it means success, and you will have to drink the water some few days. The money will start to come, but I will have to show where in your house the money come in. Remember, no one sees or go there. After the money, the palace must be searched for the money to come. It's good. Do you find a room for it? It's not a bag, just a secret room for the gods to show up with the money every day. An amount of money will come in for you, but never let anyone enter into that room except you. Only. I have a lot of members in my lodge around the world. Come and join. If you are interested to figure out the truth from lies, I'm Chirfo, Saha. I hate lies because of that. I will never lie or do something my gods does not like. Come and connect with big people. When you join my lodge members group, I have actors and music stars in it. Come and be part of the my lodge family, and your life will never be the same. Remember, being part of lodge does not let you die early or young. It's a gods of money and protection once you join fellow. The rules and enjoy wealth and good life. When I finish with process, all you will need is to drink the water you find in your calabash. After that, I will then let you find a secret place in your house where you will be receiving the money from the gods all the time. I'm here to help you in life, depending your problem. Being part of lodge is not about being a gay, lesbian, or using any part of your body for sacrifice. No, it's not true. The gods I'm using does not allow such things. It's clean and pure white gods. Once part of the lodge, you will understand it is about love and caring to it. Brothers, we meet 2 times in a year, and when the meeting time approaches, all members around the world come to my community where we have our yearly meetings, and we meet to share love and care. Among members, I'm the Grand Master of my lodge. When you met me, you will understand everything and how it goes. I'm a small boy, a mighty. It's obvious that there are scammers who uses my video and pictures defrauding people. I want to use this opportunity to warn anyone who is doing that. Number 024 56 74 286 024 56 74 286. That is my number I just mentioned. You can call me anytime you want. I do not use 2 or more SIM. I have only 1 phone. Call me anytime for your problem to be solved. But make sure you call me on a WhatsApp video call before coming to meet the real Chirfo, Saha. My phone is always on. If you call me and it's not reachable, then it is a network problem. I do not understand any language except my local language. And if you call me from abroad, I have someone who will speak English for me. But always make sure you call me on a WhatsApp video call. What